अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों। क्या हाल है? उम्मीद है मेरे तमाम दोस्त ठीक ठाक होंगे। हेलो, हाउ आर यू ऑल माय डियर फ्रेंड? आई होप ऑल माय डियर फ्रेंड इज़ वेरी वेल। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग माय लाइव स्ट्रीम। तो दोस्तों, एक बार फिर से आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हूँ। आज हम बोनस टास्क के ऊपर बात करेंगे जो गेट डाटा की तरफ से हमें मिला है। इस पहर में आप मेरे साथ जुड़े रहिएगा इंशाल्लाह। इस प्रोजेक्ट के हवाले से तमाम तर जो रिलेटेड मालूमात है मैं आप दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करूँगा। मेरे साथ रहिएगा इंशाल्लाह, आपको इससे हवाले से तमाम तर डिटेल। थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू वंस अगेन फॉर ज्वाइनिंग माय लाइव स्ट्रीम। थैंक यू सो मच ऑल ऑफ यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। आप तमाम दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए। तो जुड़े रहिएगा मेरे साथ और बने रहिएगा मेरे साथ। थैंक यू। आज के टॉपिक के ऊपर हम बात करेंगे, आज के प्रोजेक्ट के ऊपर हम बात करेंगे। अगेन फॉर ज्वाइनिंग माय लाइव स्ट्रीम ऑल माय डियर फ्रेंड, थैंक यू सो मच। बने रहिएगा मेरे साथ और जुड़े रहिएगा मेरे साथ। थैंक यू वंस अगेन ऑल माय friend. You see today my topic, my dear friend, Candy Drop 62, Candy Drop X Succinct Pro V. Trade to share 200000 Pro. Pro. Thank you so much for joining all my dear friend. Thank you once again. आप तमाम दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए। दोस्तों जुड़े रहिएगा मेरे साथ और बने रहिएगा मेरे साथ। आपको इस प्रोजेक्ट के हवाले से तमाम तर डिटेल शेयर करने लगा हूँ। थैंक यू वंस अगेन ज्वाइनिंग माय लाइव स्ट्रीम ऑल माय डियर फ्रेंड। थैंक यू सो मच। क्रिप्टो वेलवेट ने हमें ज्वाइन किया है। थैंक यू सो मच। क्रिप्टो लेडी, क्रिप्टो वेलवेट, थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। थैंक यू सो मच गेट टू द फ्रेंड। आपका भी बेहद शुक्रिया। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। और मुझे बहुत खुशी हो रही है कि क्रिप्टो वेलवेट ने भी हमें ज्वाइन किया है, साथ में क्रिप्टो लेडी ने भी ज्वाइन किया। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वालेकुम सलाम। क्रिप्टो वेलवेट हमारी न्यू कमर है और क्रिप्टो लेडी हमारी थोड़ी सी ओल्ड हो चुकी हैं और सीनियर हो चुकी हैं। बहरहाल तमाम को दिल की गहराइयों से खुश आमदीद कहता हूँ। तो जुड़े रहिएगा दोस्तों मेरे साथ और बने रहिएगा मेरे साथ। और मार्केट आउटलुक्स टुडे, माय डियर फ्रेंड, टुडे आई टेल यू द बोनस स्टार्स, सो प्लीज होल्ड। आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज द करंट पोजीशन ऑफ मार्केट। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग वंस अगेन। तमाम दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया। क्रिप्टो वेलवेट एंड आल्सो crypto universe lady, thank you so much. So my dear friend, let's start. Candy Drop is a gate candy airdrop platform where user complete tasks to earn candies and share token airdrops. We are excited to launch the pro token airdrop event when you can complete the following tasks to gain candies and share total prize pool of 200000 pro with the maximum individual share of 100 pro. Details are follow. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Thank you so much, all my dear friend. Thank you so much. Good luck for your project. Thank you for the appreciating and thank you for the comments. Beautiful universe lady, thank you so much for joining. आपका शुक्रिया। क्रिप्टो वेलवेट की तरफ से भी खूबसूरत कॉम्प्लीमेंट। योर स्ट्रीम इज ऑलवेज फुल ऑफ पॉजिटिव वेब्स एंड ग्रेट एनर्जी। थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो वेलवेट for joining my live stream and thank you for the beautiful compliment. Thank you so much, Crypto Universe Lady and Crypto Velvet. Best of luck. Thank you so much. So once again, I tell you, my dear friend, you see the Candy Drop is Gate Candies airdrop platform where user complete tasks to earn candies and share token airdrop. We are excited to launch the Pro token airdrop event when you can the complete following tasks to earn candies and share to prize pool of 200000 pro with maximum individual share of 100 pro. Details are follow. First, future trade price pool 10000 pro, fixed 20 pro per eligible user. Thank you so much once again. Now, future trading pools 10000 pro, maximum 80 pro per person. Airdrop calculation formula, individual candy amount, total candies for all user price. Thank you all of you for joining my live stream. Thank you, Crypto Universe Lady. Your dedication is ring inspired. Thank you so much, Crypto Universe Lady, and also thank you, Crypto Velvet. तमामी दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया। Crypto Universe Lady, Crypto Velvet, and Gate User Friend. Thank you so much, all of you. for joining my live stream. चलते हैं आगे की जानिब जिस तरह से मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Thank you so much. So the second one is the future trading pool 100000 pro maximum 80 pro per person. Now airdrop calculation formula, individual candy amount, total candies for all user, export event period August 6 2025 10 to August 17 2025 10 UTC. Thank you. क्रिप्टो चैंपियन ने भी हमें ज्वाइन किया. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग क्रिप्टो चैंपियन. तो आप देख सकते हैं इसे हम ज्वाइन करते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच माय डियर फ्रेंड, आपका शुक्रिया, हमने इसे ज्वाइन किया है. थैंक यू सो मच स्काई फॉल्स एंड अदर फ्रेंड. थैंक यू. नाउ द प्रो, the sufficient sessions is the building a digitalization pro network so that anyone can black chain application and structure secured by the cryptograph truth not trust. Thank you so much Media Rafi. Thank you so much for joining my dear friend Kaya and Mehdi Hassan Rafi. Thank you Perry. Thank you so much Perry. Thank you so much my dear friend. Once again I tell you the pro. Now the total price pool 2000000 pro and 18549 participation total. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining once again. आपका शुक्रिया. तो चलते complete the task to share 2000000 pro price pool. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much my dear friend to join my live stream Ranjan. Thank you. Now complete task to share 2000000 pro price and the first future trade pool 100000. Thank you so much for joining my dear friend. Now the pro individual share limit 20 pro complete task and share price pool. Thank you once again. Now the claim 20 pro reward will be distributed on 2025 and 15 UTC the actual revival. Thank you so much Crypto Champion for joining my live stream. Good afternoon everyone. Thank you. तो चलते हैं आगे की जानिब. Wingle, Gate user and other friend, thank you so much for joining. Thank you. Good live stream for the current market and other. I am happy for all. Thank you so much Mogani for joining my live stream and thank you for the comments. Thank you so much and welcome to join my live stream my dear friend Mogani. Thank you so much dear friend. Crypto Velvet ने दोबारा से हमें ज्वाइन किया है. Thank you so much once again for joining Crypto Velvet. Thank you so much. Now the activity rules. After joining Gate.io, if user have candies any concept trading the first contract trading volume of any token to 5000 USD will receive a fixed reward of 20 pro on first come first save basis. The total price pool is the 100000 pro. Thank you so much Pro, Masoni and Kate user. Thank you. Future trading के बारे में बताता चलो. Future trading to share 100000 pro and the total tokens 100000 pro. 80 pro individual limit, complete task and share price pool. Thank you Tabot. Now activity route. Once again I tell you my dear friend, during the event user with the complete future trading volume 30000 USDD pro can receive candies up to the maximum of 9 candies and share in the 100000 pro price pool. Now number 2, future trading volume open interest, close interest. Thank you once again Tableto, Kaya and other friend. Thank you so much my dear friend for joining my live stream. So my dear friend, you see today my topic, Gate Live bonus task Candy Draw Pro project review, and I tell you the review of this. In this time, I tell you the FAQ. Thank you, Kaya. Thank you so much. Kaya, join my live stream. What are the requirements to participate in Candy Drop? Thank you so much for joining. तो हम बात कर रहे हैं FAQ के ऊपर. Thank you so much. User participating in the Candy Drop to require to complete identity verification and click the join button on the event page. Only after successfully joining will their activity data be content market. The market enterprises and the institutional are eligible to participation in the event. Thank you. Make to money. Thank you so much for joining. Make to money. Now the second one in when will the candies be distributed after completing task? Candies will be distributed within 1 to 3 hours after the user complete task. Please log into the click the candies and obtain from candies after the 3 hours. Thank you, Crypto Mersu. Now, what is the price pool sharing and why are there no candy reward? Thank you so much for joining my live stream, my dear friend. The price pool sharing means that user who reach the activity shoulder thought to transaction volume or reach amount during the event can share to the total price pool of opportunities. Therefore, the no candy reward. Thank you. Listen to later and UID. Thank you so much for joining. Now, the next one is what is the first spot and first future trading task? Thank you so much, Kaya07 for joining my live stream. Kaya, thank you. User who have never conduct any spot of the future trading after joining Gate can claim this task by the making the first spot future trade of the specific token and reaching the calculated trading volume requirement during the event period. User can complete the task and receive event to reward. Thank you, Rick. Thank you so much, Rick. So this is the FAQ of this, my dear friend. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. This is the Pro, and now I tell you the official website of Pro. Thank you, Gate user and Scripo 22510 Scripo. Now you see the power, the Pro, the world software, और एक खूबसूरत सी नज़र आ रही है. उम्मीद है कि बहुत अच्छी इसकी ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट होगी. Pro, the world software आपके सामने. Now skins the digitalization Pro network that the make zero knowledge easy for everyone. तो अभी हम आगे की तरफ चलते हैं, आपको दिखाते हैं इसकी ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट. 35 plus partner, 40 plus TVL secure the best team our section to the power their critical infrastructure including the Polygon and Clostic Avail and more. Thank you, Gina Chicken Shakura. Thank you so much, Shakura, for joining live stream. Have a nice day, Shakura. 3434. Thank you so much. Now the infrastructure for the providing ecosystem. So once again, you see the another beautiful picture. SPI, the world faster RISE RICSV, RISE ZKVM and the power network, a digitalization network to provide compute and earn reward. तो अच्छी खूबसूरत सी नज़र आ रही है इसकी ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट, माय डियर फ्रेंड. यू सी वंस अगेन. थैंक यू सो मच. द SociSense makes zero knowledge easy and secure. Right Trust Pro Security. और ये डायग्राम वगैरह भी आपके सामने मौजूद हैं, आप देख सकते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच, माय डियर फ्रेंड. नाउ द मेक जीरो नॉलेज इजी. यूज ZKPS with the easy to write maintain code for the first development. Now the proof at light speed. Now generate proofs loosely of user our power network with the SPI at peak performance. Thank you, Dinner Chicken, the Bedran, and Shakura once again. Thank you so much, Shakura. Built with the privacy and verification and the verifiability anywhere. Now the verified SP proof of any blockchain, Ethereum, L2, Solana, mobile, the web, and beyond. Now built with the Sufficient, yes, Sufficient. Thank you so much, my dear friend. This is the official website of this. Thank you, Gate user Anik. ZKEVMS. And now the roll up and the Crossipers, identity, and the main learning and interoperability. Thank you so much, my dear friend. This is the official website of this. Explore the Swift world. Thank you once again, my dear friend. Now the Perth with us and the staking. Stake Pro to the provide earn your share of power, revenue, and additional initiative. User use SPI. Start building with the fastest, more future complete ZKVM for the development of the Explorer. Thank you, Rifa. Now the observe real world using to such a pro network. Now the back and brightness. Thank you so much. We work with the world class investor at the cutting edge of the blockchain and crypto. Thank you all my dear for joining my live stream. तो दोस्तों हम इसकी ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट पर मौजूद हैं और आपको इसी के बारे में बता चलूँ. हिटमैन, थैंक यू सो मच हिटमैन. 420 रेसलिंग छोड़ के हिटमैन ने हमें ज्वाइन किया. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग हिटमैन. Now this is the official website and now I tell you the developer. Thank you so much, my dear friend. Now the developer making zero knowledge proof and accessible to the any developer. Thank you so much, my dear friend. Thank you, Kate user, Hitman, and Rabbit, and other friend. Thank you so much, Chikura, Rick. Thank you so much. Thank you. Making zero knowledge proof for the accessible to any developer. Foundation and technology. The foundation and technology power of the proof and cost. Now SPI, the world fastest production ready ZK VM more developer. Now the Pro network, the world most effect reporting providing cluster. Now the OP sufficients enjoy the fully stage and the application and cost activity while providing for our OPI stock rollup. Thank you, get user. Now the OP sufficient light experience one day finally a strategic compliance future similar and more capital efficient discount and realization. Thank you. Now the start building with the zero knowledge and documentation and now installations. Thank you. Now the SPI currently runs on the Lexi and MACOS. Use our institutional guide to get step on your computer project template. User hour of the box templates to get started with your first SPI project. Now quick start guide. Learn how to create a simple fabulous program using the SPZKWM. Thank you so much, Crypto Mayosri. Thank you so much for joining Crypto Mayosri. And now the interrogation, the vector. Implementation of zero knowledge proof of circulation of the vector like the data attention bridge in SPI, RESTSense and Prerer. The minimal implementation of journal zero knowledge proof of EVM black extension to use RET. Now the Helios. Thank you, Kate user friend. Thank you so much. Now the grenade zero knowledge proof of the Ethereum consents and state and the bloodstream. Implementation of zero knowledge proof of circle of the Loam stream to create attraction in the bridge SPI. Thank you so much, my dear friend. This is the developer. Thank you once again for joining my live stream. Thank you so much, my dear friend. आप तमाम दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए. हम ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट के ऊपर बात कर रहे हैं. अभी आपको इकोसिस्टम की तरफ ले चलते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच. दिस इज द प्रूफ. Thank you so much. Now in this time I'll tell you the ecosystem. Thank you, my dear friend. Sufficient ecosystem. The best teams in crypto are building with the sufficient market leading ZK VM and the power network join the stream like Playgon and Cluster a while and more. Thank you, Chitrali and QBM. Thank you so much, Chitrali and QBM. This is the ecosystem of this, my dear friend. Thank you. Now the across Academy, Alpan, Atlayer, Automata, Awile, Babylon, Calida, Celtra, Cell, and Content Consume. Thank you of this. This is the menu of my dear friend. You see the Algern, Alicron, FEMA, Galaxy, Galacto, Hadros, Ishbay, Hyle, Katina, Chroma, Lido, Magic Network, and Mental, Marpol, Mind, Nobra, Nobit, Pala Network, Polygon, Reft, Explore, Severing, Tycho, Tamina, Twin, World, Zero Scenic, एक्सप्लोर द सफिशिएंस वर्ल्ड। तो ये दोस्तों आपके सामने मौजूद है इकोसिस्टम जिसके ऊपर हम बात करें, आपको बता रहा हूँ मुख्तलिफ। केट ह्यूजन एंड ब्रो, थैंक यू सो मच ब्रो एंड केट गर्लफ्रेंड, थैंक यू सो मच। नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन इज बिलो, थैंक यू सो मच। रिसर्च अनाउंसमेंट, thank you all of you for joining my live stream, thank you so much my dear friend। you see today my topic Gear Life bonus task Candy Draw Pro project review, and I tell you the review of this research announcement। thank you Zen, join the sufficient power network। Zen is the joining sufficient power network as a multiple node cluster. Now Zen is one the infrastructure provides displacement in node operation and hardware powered by, thank you so much my dear friend। and now the next one, introduction, SPI1CC unlisting the full power of the EVM instructions, precision EVM with the new ZK provide SPI contact sell SPICC with the SPICC development to get ZK Ethereum to the market Ethereum and more future। thank you Queen B bro 214, thank you so much bro। now the cycle is live on the sufficient power network। we have be on board the provo to the sufficient power network and the constantly expanding the network to handle more capacity। today cycle is joining the network, thank you so much for joining my dear friend। now the providing world chain scaling ZK to all humans। now the Sociance is the World Foundation have partnered on the validation proof expansion, the first step to providing every transaction of world chain with OP sufficient event the largest, thank you so much। now the A41 join the Sufficient Pro network, the total A41 is joining the Sufficient Power network as an early providing high performance GPU include the network। A41 is the blockchain infrastructure service। now the Singularity joined the Sufficient Power network। last week we opened to the Sufficient provide the network to pro worldwide in the major expansion of the network, the release market the first that provides who will work, thank you। now the introduction stage of 2.5, the pros, the cooling online, the stage 2.5 in here, and with the major expansion of the Sufficient Power network we are operating in the same of the best hardware team in the knowledge proof of help, thank you so much for joining the Sufficient and Hablic all the building engagement exchange, the Sufficient on the front line of CLOB for the better response with crypto exchange are built our friends is Hacko and friend the opening slow with the ZK proof, thank you so much। क्रिप्टो मैकबुक ने भी हमें ज्वाइन किया, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग क्रिप्टो मैकबुक एंड द कुरान, थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो मैकबुक एंड कुरान फॉर ज्वाइनिंग माय लाइव स्ट्रीम, वेलकम, खुशामदीद तमाम दोस्तों को कहता हूँ अपनी लाइव स्ट्रीम पर, क्रिप्टो मैकबुक को और कुरान को, थैंक यू सो मच। द नेक्स्ट वन इज माय डियर फ्रेंड द FGA acclusion of the SPI with the anti-chain upper land। we extended to announce the development of FPGA allocation for the SP1 collaboration with the AdChain collaborator and the security anti-digital technology, thank you Crypto MacBook, have a nice day, same to you my dear friend Crypto MacBook for joining my live stream। आपका शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए और कमेंट्स करने के लिए, थैंक यू सो मच Crypto MacBook for joining my live stream and also the comments, thank you Quimby, thank you so much। now the Sufficient Network Explorer is live, today we are launching the remote version in the Sufficient Power Network Explorer, look thought proof and the trend and the truth provide the network the new exploration with। now the using learn to family verification compatibility of OSP, thank you थैंक यू सो मच माय डियर फ्रेंड, आपका बेहद शुक्रिया क्रिप्टो मैकबुक ज्वाइन करने के लिए और आल्सो कमेंट्स करने के लिए। थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो मैकबुक एंड अदर ब्यूटीफुल लाइव स्ट्रीमर। इंसर्ट क्वीन, थैंक यू सो मच। द कुरान वंस अगेन, थैंक यू। यूजिंग लर टू formally verify the coordinates of OSPI. Thank you, Simulus and Crypto MacBook. Today we are sharing the progress of formally verification, the contents of SPI and calibration with the NetRum expert, the formula method with the strong focus on issue. Thank you so much all of you. तो दोस्तों ये व्लॉग के ऊपर हमने आपसे बात की है। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग वंस अगेन। तमाम दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए। तो जुड़े रहिएगा मेरे साथ। हम ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट पे बात कर रहे हैं। थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो चैंपियन की तरफ से खूबसूरत कॉम्प्लीमेंट आया है। थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो चैंपियन, यू आर इम्प्रूविंग so much every stream. It awesome to watch your journey grow day by day. Thank you so much the beautiful comments crypto champion की तरफ से खूबसूरत सा हमें कमेंट्स मौसूल हुआ। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर द ब्यूटीफुल कमेंट्स क्रिप्टो चैंपियन एंड थैंक यू फॉर द आल्सो गिफ्ट। क्रिप्टो चैंपियन तरफ से खूबसूरत गिफ्ट भी हमें मौसूल हुआ है। हर टाइम हमें गिफ्ट देते हैं, आपका बेहद शुक्रिया गिफ्ट देने के लिए क्रिप्टो चैंपियन। Thank you so much. Another compliment. You have created such a positive and fun community. It is always a joy to be part of your stream. Thank you so much, my dear friend. आपका बेहद शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए। तो आप देख सकते हैं हम आपसे बात कर रहे थे ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट पे। थैंक यू सो मच, आपका बेहद शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए। तो अभी हम चलते हैं इसके वाइट पेपर की जानिब और आपको इसका वाइट पेपर दिखाते हैं। थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो चैंपियन once again for joining my live stream. Thank you all of you for joining. तो अभी चलते हैं हम इसके ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट की जानिब के बाद ऑफिशियल वाइट पेपर के ऊपर बात करते हैं। द Shushant नेटवर्क prove the world software and Yuma Roy Sufficient and joint guide Sushant and the Khatija Alka Susant. Thank you so much, my dear friend. Now the next one is the Malish Pi and Rice University and SMG and the Dan Research and Production and the developer. Thank you so much, my dear friend. This is the white paper of this. Now the abstract. We provide the Sushant's network digitalization protocol that power the world software. The network and conduit distribution set of the power ways to generate zero knowledge proof thought the novel initiative mechanism called proof of the consents of create the world most efficient report providing the collect user supplement received from the RISCV program with the input and fees. The demos the providing the power and the minimal literacy and cost. Now, in the order to earn fees, the education settle on the application sufficient blockchain. Both of the consents the blockchain are represented with the SPI and ZKVM. They provide the extension of RISCV. Thank you so much, Muhammad bin Yunus and the Vedica and other gate user. Thank you so much. Now, the proof of contents already sufficient designed to blockchain to bring goals of minimize providing the cost will ensure digitalization set of the pro. Now the network conditions and the ecosystem of user hardware turns and infrastructure operator with the crypto investing partners Floyd the partnership in the protocols utilize global infrastructure beyond the that drive does not the cost and literacy of the zero knowledge proof of journal of all. Thank you so much for joining my dear friend, आपका शुक्रिया। तो हम वाइट पेपर के ऊपर बात कर रहे हैं, आपको इसका इंट्रोडक्शन करवाता हूँ। थैंक यू वेडिक केट यूजर डिमोंड द बेडरीन, थैंक यू सो मच एंड द डिनर चिकन, थैंक यू 2121, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग ऑल ऑफ यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग माय लाइव स्ट्रीम। आप तमाम दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रगुजार हूँ। टुडे माय टॉपिक माय डियर फ्रेंड, वंस अगेन आई टेल यू गेट लाइफ bonus task Canty Draw Pro project review, and I tell you the review of this project. In this time I tell you the white paper, and now this is the introduction Thank you so much, dear friend. Now the digitalization system, such a blockchain operator based on the distribution consents multiple barrier accept to the computation and agree on the result. In exchange, blockchain allows of the translation application that do not have to centralization model. This is idea was the first appeal to discussion with the Bitcoin and Albert Treasury and Protosh of Ethereum and Co. And the random computer, however, to close and impress overwhelmed the blockchain revolution of the centralization computer due to the reason blockchain and remain the bottle locked. Thank you so much, Oxbyte and Loini, Najam and Juma Khan. Thank you so much, Juma Khan. जुमा खान ने हमें संडे के दिन एतवार के दिन ज्वाइन किया. थैंक यू फॉर जुमा खान. नाउ द Sushan zero knowledge ZK proof to prime space of the forward they enable to power to convince verification of the knowledge of the claims such as the extension of program. Thank you Mehloni 28 Juma Khan. Thank you so much for joining my dear friend. आप तमाम दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया. तो जुड़े रहेगा इंसर्ट क्वीन. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग इंसर्ट क्वीन. थैंक यू माय डियर फ्रेंड. वेलकम. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. This is the introduction and now next one my dear friend. I tell you the introduction of this. Thank you. Thank you my lovely friend. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Thank you all of you for joining. Thank you. Thank you so much my dear friend. आपका बेहद शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए. चलते हैं आगे की जानिब. इंट्रोडक्शन हो गया, अभी इंट्रोडक्शन पे ही हम बात कर रहे हैं. थैंक यू सो मच वंस अगेन. थैंक यू सो मच माय डियर फ्रेंड. नाउ दैट नेक्स्ट वन इज द डायग्राम. थैंक यू संतोषी नोकोमिटो. थैंक यू एंड द कुरान. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग माय डियर फ्रेंड कुरान. नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन इज the proof of system have experienced the expand the performance empowerment. Number B, ZK virtual mechanism convert to application specifics continue or the general purpose program. Thank you. Make to money. Now the figure 1 ZK providing the Temlog technology has on the reports progress. Thank you. चलते हैं आगे की जानिब. Thank you so much for joining my dear friend. आप तमाम दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया. Make to money and also Quran. Thank you for joining. So once again I tell you dear friend, with operation provide input with the proof of that much short than the claim itself, the BS13 BS14. This is allowed to blockchain to circle their thought by the spreading transaction exception with the expense from transaction verification, which can be to the made change thought. ZK proof only is a small function of the participation in the system have to expose the competition while many nodes has just verify it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much my dear friend. Thank you for joining. Now in the case of Ethereum with the real-time ZK proof attention can the verify chain up and SNARK instead of the newly exchange EVM transaction allowing the Ethereum Albert sale DRA24. Thank you so much Umar21 for joining my live stream. Thank you so much Umar. Beyond their implementation of the making blockchain scalable and simulation well, now the ZK proofs hardware and fundamental a new kind of computing program graphic campaigning that the enable verification in the all system. The implementation of unique verification or we are range today tasks such as Ethereum aggregation identity manage meet and the transaction verification take up the response of governance and the global competitions. Thank you so much Umar 21. Why cryptographs comparing it me to the possible to vary reduce the order and efficiency fees the protocols at concept the ZK proof and the automatic verification respect program extension for the private user information circle. ZK proof different from the early cryptograph primates such a digital signature with the enable architecture on the internet in their probability. They can also the verification able settlement about the more competition, any private public input, and the vesting opening to the design space for the digitalization protocol and business logic investing is invested interaction or the identity. थैंक यू सो मच माय डियर फ्रेंड, आप तमाम दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए. दिस इज द वाइट पेपर ऑफ दिस माय डियर फ्रेंड, पेज नंबर 2. आई टेल यू today there are two important trends in ZK technology. Instead we are the sufficient inflection point. The first is the rapid increase the performance in spec called ZK proof of system, while the efficient interface proof of system we introduced the 1980s GMR85. They remain difficult to the use until under proof of system made certification advance in providing cost of the literacy and to the Halo 20, PLONK, Plonk 22, Plonk 23, ZK providing the performance has been example clear to the importance of the software and performance. Figure I8 to the second is the progress in. Thank you so much, my dear friend. In Corny Boy, Insert Queen, and Kate User. Thank you, Happy Brother. Thank you so much, Happy Brother, for joining my live stream. Thank you so much. This is the next, my dear friend. You see the another graph. Now the finger 2. The Sushant network create a global distribute providing the cluster with the unfade experience for user provided by proof of contents. Thank you, SK Almin. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, my dear friend. The Crypto Velvet once again for joining my live stream. Thank you for joining Crypto Velvet once again. Now the ZK providing technology for the application specific circulation design with the enable progress logistic and the Artem and the critical of the journal power ZK virtual mechanism ZK VMS that the enable to providing to Alberti Dynamics program and can utilize normal extension software. Figure 1b. The flexibility of normal progress logistic allows for the river of extension code. General purpose ZK VMs such as the SPI have a recent expand the number of developers who can build to application using ZK have allowed. Thank you once again for joining, my dear friend Crypto Velvet and Happy Brother SK Ode, SK Queen, and the Chunging Ning. Thank you so much, Chunging Ning. Now the ZK and have allowed the blockchain to black early consumer of ZK providing SP124. Thank you so much, my dear friend. Now the confluence of the both exceptional performance implementation and journal purpose. Thank you so much, my dear friend. ZK VM suggests the execution of the interrogation that will be required to create the adoption of the cryptographs companion program. ZK providing is a competent procession interviewer worldwide on the order of large AI system on Bitcoin mining production. Starts the providing the extension of the blockchain state transaction formula. Thank you so much, Ivan Khan, gate user. Now AS the production of ZK technology across to providing all nations an ecosystem of the infrastructure provide from Tetracade builder in arts while of cost of the acquired to development of the splicing hardware. For blockchain use case into the empowerment providing the digitalization which graphic distribution providing operator in additional home provide who can provide the ability and live lens. Thank you so much, K. Omi. Thank you, the Quran. Thank you so much for joining once again, the Quran. Now the next one, my dear friend, is the realizing the ecosystem comprised of user power and infrastructure provided the requirement global scale coordination and the network the appropriate initiatives hardware allocate provide the digitalization and the competition of ZK providing to the ensure advanced providing technology across to the user network thought to be formed with the single ZK VM network conduing ensure that user can write to application on the console open source ZK VM that the experience configuration performance empowerment and the hardware team. And now infrastructure provide can condition on a unfair platform. The competition of the conjoined and the competition between the provide is the crystal for the creation of mechanism network. Thank you. Tried way, no time and make too money. Thank you so much, all of you, my dear friend. Now the next one is, you see, my dear friend, another beautiful graph of this finger number 3. The network by the agreement supply and demand create to visit a flight for the providing infrastructure R and D. Now the Sushant network. This is another beautiful page of this, my dear friend. Thank you, no time. So the Sushant network, the introduction with the idea of the global distribution providing just code signed with the SPI and powered by the competent accretion mechanism called proof of consent to tokenization providing capacity of the world figure 2. Thank you, Cuban, no time tracks. Now a global distribute powering cluster. The network provides an unfed platform for the user submit proof request for the anyone in the world or to providing capacity forward can join the network performance facility and the participation by running node to software and user get high reliability generate for their request. Thank you, Iman Khan. Proof of content. The proof of content mechanism is a naval execution to the enhance providing cost and digitalization and introduce free market competition, free privacy recover to the request mechanism, digitalization, power set and solving the related problem such as the proof of spinning constitution and the certification. Proof of consent settle application sufficient blockchain design for the contribute power with the request. Thank you so much, my dear friend. आप तमाम दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया. Ode, Iman Khan and other friend. Thank you so much for joining. Now 2.1 market structure. There are two primary participation in the network application who demand ZK providing a proof for the providing capacity and infrastructure. The cluster and the proof contact mechanism join the identity, the market structure with a vision fly by the proof of convest mechanism joint introduce the market structure with a vector fly wall by the agreement supply and the demand finger 3. The initiative global scale competition. Thank you Ode and other friend for joining my live stream. तमाम दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए. क्रिप्टो चैंपियन ने भी एक बार फिर से मैं ज्वाइन किया. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग क्रिप्टो चैंपियन. आपका शुक्रिया. Thank you so much, Crypto Champion, Crypto I. God bless you and your family. Thank you for the beautiful player, beautiful friend, Crypto Champion. Thank you so much, my dear friend. आपका बेहद शुक्रिया खूबसूरत सी दुआ देने के लिए. Same to you, my dear friend. Thank you. Now the for developing structure efficiency provide infrastructure. Thank you so much, my dear friend. Thai integration with the SPI development and the network. Thank you. Good broadcast, dear friend. Thank you so much, my dear friend. What is the entry level gate, dear friend? Today my topic, my dear friend, is gate live bonus stars. I tell you this detail of this, my dear friend. Please hold. I don't know what is the current position of BTC or ETH. I think both of currencies is better performance today. Thank you so much, Crypto Champion. Once again, thank you so much. Make too money. Now you see today my topic, gate live bonus star candy drop through project review. I tell you the review of this, my dear friend. Now 2.1.1, the network kickstarts and future the fly by the aggression aggression set play and the demand. Thank you once again, Skyfall. The network is explicitly architect so that any user permissionally the request in the unfed infrastructure and so that any provide join the provide capacity according to the providing repair by the proof of content mechanism. Thank you, Veldka. Thank you so much, my dear friend. Now the mechanism. Thank you for joining. Once again. Now and the provide mechanism. Thank you. The extension of this free market adjusts demand across to the many application and supply across many pros the has following the implementation. Now the A unfair request expansion means more efficiency. Xmin, thank you. Petro and Juma Khan, thank you so much. Without the agri generation of supply and demand, it is a kindly that the market for providing digitalization into the applications and provide making bespoke agreement to the application setting up in the house infrastructure over the long learn application team may not to the well position for return their own providing infrastructure due to the supplyization opportunities and technical skill involved over the customer deals are not efficient and lead of the fraction into the market, a transparency market with the unfair protocols for their performance provided by the engagement supply chain reduce introduction time development cost and the generate officially period. Thank you, Jiva Khan, and the red scare breakup. Thank you so much. Now the transparency pertaining accuracy infrastructure. Thank you so much, my dear friend. Now you see why the transparency providing and according demand provides for the economics. They are the ensure the factor provides can build on the infrastructure faced and with the more current because their cost flow and more applicate the extension of the transparency market for pro in the pro risk to the pride and financial officials. Thank you, Queen. Now number 3, how provides with the low of cost of the capital and from the providing pools. Thank you so much, my dear friend, for joining. Shakura once again. Thank you. Shakura, my dear friend. How are you, my dear friend? The protocol allows for the anyone in the world with the share providing the capacity to join efficient individuals with the home GPUs and the hardware have full familiar capital costs due to the spare capacity and lower opportunity cost due to the chip allocation that the large operator. By the allowing whom to provide the participation providing the capacity can be development increase for the efficiency, privacy and maintaining in the section 3.4 with the introduce the nation of the providing pool, which is the set of proof for the pool of their capacity together to join, build and the proof content mechanism. They always home provides the maintain economic risk. Thank you, UID, Alisa and Nakalobi. Thank you. Now the premisless participation ensuring the power digitalization. Thank you, Little Queen. Thank you so much, Little Queen. PKR entry into the market formula, both the scale permission in the freshen of the engineering and building providing capacity and the manage the allows provide to join from anywhere and graphs and digitalization in centralization to marketplace where only creator actor to participate in the means the downstream user the application the circle the save proof are the not blackboard and by providing proper locations. Thank you so much, my dear friend. I tell you this is my dear friend now the important market aggregation supply and the demand have historical result in the average generate affections and better price of the all participation the virtual while the according both the demand supply side. Thank you so much. क्रिप्टो डॉल ने हमें ज्वाइन किया है. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग क्रिप्टो डॉल. और आते ही खूबसूरत कॉम्प्लीमेंट क्रिप्टो डॉल की तरफ से. You bringing so much every stream. It was some to watch your journey grow day by day. Thank you. Now every time you going live stream generally make by the better you are amazing entertainment person. Thank you so much. Now the stream is the pure joy from the content your reaction everything is just perfect and enjoyable. Thank you once again Crypto Doll. आपका बेहद शुक्रिया. Your stream always full of positive vibes and energy. Thank you so much once again for joining Crypto Doll. आपका शुक्रिया. उम्मीद है आपने अपनी लाइव स्ट्रीम कर ली होगी. तो मेरा बोनस टास्क है इस वजह से मैं आपकी स्ट्रीम को ज्वाइन नहीं कर सका. थोड़ी देर के लिए मैं आया था. आपको मैसेज वगैरह मैंने किए थे. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग क्रिप्टो डॉल. आपका शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने का. क्रिप्टो डॉल इन अदर ब्यूटीफुल लाइव स्ट्रीमर. हमारी न्यू कमर है लेकिन बहुत ही खूबसूरत तरीके से अपनी लाइव स्ट्रीम को बयान करती हैं और देखने वाले को खूब तरीके से समझ आती है. थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो किंग राजेश. Thank you for joining Crypto King Rajesh and also beautiful Crypto Doll. Thank you so much all of you for joining my live stream. Thank you Crypto King Rajesh. So this is the white paper of this once again. I tell you my dear friend 2.1.2 Proof consents the initiative global scale competition while main trading power the digitalization. The Quran, thank you so much, the Quran. The proof of concept mechanism introduced the competition on the providing and initiative design, initiative digitalization power set ensuring the application that required that liquidity and violence are able to the receive proof of minimal cost, proof of the construction or all pay attraction where the provides computer of reserve for the providing the proof request sent by the user. Thank you. Insert Queen, thank you so much. They all pay future introduce providing digitalization. We provide the more details about the mechanism in the section 3. Now the number 1, proof of content enabled to competition between the rules. Thank you so much, my dear friend TRX. Thank you so much for joining TRX. Now the primary proof of consents the designed to the enable provide anywhere in two world of participate in the network while competition on the providing cost. This achieved by the asking provide to build in the interaction to be able receive fees by the user. Proof of contents user. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Thank you so much, Oxbin. Thank you. Now, once again, this is the activity asked from the provider to be built in the equation to be able to receive fees set by the user. Proof of transaction sufficient price single to adjustment their fees into the market clearing price of proof. Thank you, Oxbyte. Now the next one is, my dear friend, the price discovery allows for the reinvestment. Proof of consent pay for the large share of the fees set by the user to provide that performance their core talk will the officials generate for the low cost ZK proof with the user sufficiency and deadline. The allows with the transaction from the content to be refined in the better providing structure and allowing the empowerment to the providing proof and the initiatives to contention improve their providing structure. Providing the pools and also provide the smooth fees to the individual pride allows that to the participation in the network in a plug and play fashion. Thank you, Oxbyte and Gate the friend. Thank you so much for joining. Now the next one, gain from the competition across to the application. Thank you. And user to the primary beneficiaries from the competitions between the provide over time pure discussion from the paid way to the one main feature that user demand low cost proof due to the livelihood with the sufficient demand imputation or the applications that require proof to the developer and low cost to the valuable at scale. The network user from the market competition to server application. Thank you, my dear friend Cyber J, Little Queen and Forum. Thank you so much, Perry. Make to money. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, all of you, my dear friend. Now you see today my topic Gear Live bonus task Candy Drop Pro. Project review. I tell you the review of this, my dear friend. Candy Drop Pro. This is the white paper of this. Thank you, Sita. Thank you for joining, Sita. Now the mechanism enable power digitalization. Sorry. The gains from the competition across to application and user from the primary. ये तो हो चुका था. चलते हैं. The mechanism enable provide the digitalization. Thank you so much, Sita. In the context, the native mechanism in the watch provide world to aggregate proof of employer cost than any other world to expand to the 100% of actions. Such a simple review action the proof of contents mechanism initiatives digitalization even under the expansion of such provide. This done in vain all pay future that the rambles talk contents and contact for the fixed price. The initiatives are board providing and the provide contraction which help ensure long-term rewards of the network. The requirement sufficient some affections sense in the nucleus initiative something the allocation proofs of height providing including have a rapid digitalization provide allows application to early on the network. Thank you, Perry, Mac to Money, Nakelo, and Mr. Q. Thank you so much, all of you, for joining. Now you see the partnership participation and initiative application. This is the many now the related words. Thank you so much once again for joining. Perry. Related works. The Sushens network draws the inspiration from the line of the related work that the use cryptocurrencies initiatives from the fundamental global scale computation infrastructure builders such as Bitcoin and the Falcon. Thank you. Now today the Bitcoin has to the extent to the capacity of any of currency or nation. The was centralization VIP proof of the work protocols. We are compare the centralization key future of extension structure builders and that the use initiative with the social network table centralization composition the access of the permission participation initiative and the application. Thank you crypto champion एक बार फिर से Emily, thank you, and crypto champion also thank you so much crypto champion. Now the Bitcoin boasts further distribution and the monetary system by the initiative miner Viva the proof of work mechanism NK08. The Bitcoin networks instructed it had also the lead of creation of the ledger mining proof that allows the individual and the participation in block construction between the providing due to the expansion demand low cost and low literacy blockchain construction from the miner. Thank you so much. इस्तांबुल ने बहुत अच्छे बात इस्तेमाल किया हमें ज्वाइन किया. थैंक यू फॉर द ज्वाइनिंग इस्तांबुल जुमा खान and Akomo Roy. Thank you. Now the flexion. The file flexion is the digitalization strong network via the proof of specific time and the proof of replication mechanism BEN17 in the flexion strong providing the can reward from the providing capacity to user and the user use to the network for long-term cryptography. Thank you so much, Muiz. As the service beyond the providing user to competent strong the primary requirement for the participation as the strong provide a capital which the requirement to purchase hardware running storage node can also require the specification digitalization operation skill introduction to proof of generation. Now flexion does not require to the specialization around knowledge and the certification requirement for the hardware empowerment. Now ELO is the enable provide privacy first blockchain introduction validator and the proof of maximum proof of the stake proof of sufficient worker WU23 allows it a validator are the responsibility for the progress better for the transaction due to the work and ZK. Thank you so much. Now the provides the slow operation proof of work mining and creation the ZK proof of the earned reward. The police initiative providing the invest in the hardware allocations. Thank you TRX and the little queen Potera. Thank you so much. However, ELO proof do not to the first problem of the long cost effective proof of the user. For this reason, providing the literacy remained work contents and use mining. Thank you so much, my dear friend. आपका बेहद शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए. नाउ नंबर 3 proof contents. Thank you so much for joining. We now introduce the proof of contents mechanism which the action that the allocate request to the providing in the network and allows them to the earn fees by the blockchain dual price of the efficiency and the digitalization. Thank you Oxbyte and gate user. At any time user have to send a set of the outstanding proof of request and the set of providing A are available to the provide them each request consent attacked with the amount the user pay for the proof of request and cycle amount with the mechanism the amount of work requirement to the granted proof of the request. Thank you so much TRX. Cycle with the mechanism amount of the work requirement generate proof of the request and the decide which is the maximum amount of time user is the willing to wait for the request after the assessing provide his private capacity for the maximum amount of cycle they can prove and the private margin coster. Pre-cycle there are the service circulation that the mechanism for the allocation proof request of privacy should safety. Thank you all of you for joining, my dear friend. Ayub Khatak. Thank you so much, Ayub Khatak, Yuzunko and Abdullah. Thank you all of you for joining. तमाम दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए। तो दोस्तों, आपको मैं वाइट पेपर के ऊपर बता रहा था, आप देख सकते हैं जो मेरा आज का टॉपिक है जिसके ऊपर मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट के साथ वाइट पेपर के ऊपर मौजूद हूँ। मेरा टॉपिक है गेट लाइफ बोनस टास्क कैंडी ड्रॉप प्रो प्रोजेक्ट रिव्यू, और मैं रिव्यू दे रहा हूँ आपको। अभी हम वाइट पेपर के ऊपर मौजूद थे। मैं तमाम ही दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रगुजार हूँ। TRX अब्दुल्ला, मेक टू मनी 200 ऑर्डर पर डे, मोट्रेटा एंड केट यूज़र TRX, अयूब खटक, मुइज़ एंड अब्दुल्ला। तमाम दोस्तों का शुक्रगुजार जिन्होंने ज्वाइन किया हुआ है, लाइक किया हुआ है और फॉलो किया हुआ है। थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। तो अभी चलते हैं हम फाइनल अपने पेज की जानिब। आपको अभी मैं वाइट पेपर के ऊपर मौजूद था, तो चलते हैं दोस्तों। हमने इसको ज्वाइन किया था, मैंने आपको बताया था। अभी चलते हैं। नाउ दी फर्स्ट फ्यूचर ट्रेड प्राइस पूल रूल्स। थैंक यू। क्रिप्टोरेक्स ने भी हमें ज्वाइन किया है। अभी क्रिप्टोरेक्स ने अपनी लगता है लाइव स्ट्रीम खत्म कर ली है। यूजर हु मेक्स देयर फर्स्ट एवर फ्यूचर trade on gate and the future trading volume of any tokens 500 USDT will receive a fixed 20 pro reward, first come first save, total price pool 100,000 pro distribution after the end. Thank you so much ज्वाइन करने के लिए। क्रिप्टोरेक्स आपने ज्वाइन किया, वेलकम, खुश आमदीद और आपको मुबारक हो। आपका फर्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट बोनस टास्क आपको मिल चुका है। तो दोस्त जहाँ भी जाइएगा कम से कम 6 से 7 मैसेज ज़रूर किया करें ताकि आपकी क्लोजनेस भी पूरी हो और दूसरे की क्लोजनेस भी पूरी हो। जबकि हमारे जो न्यू कमर हैं वो अपने 5 से 6 मैसेज नहीं कर रहे। क्रिप्टो वेलवेट ने भी नहीं करे और ना ही क्रिप्टो यूनिवर्स लेडी ने किए हैं। तो आप इन तमाम दोस्तों को अपने स्ट्रीम के दौरान समझाया करें कि आप जहाँ भी जाया करें तो कम से कम 6-7 मैसेज ज़रूर किया करें ताकि आपको उसका फ़ायदा हो। 3-4 मैसेज से आपका कोई फ़ायदा होने वाला नहीं है। तो क्रिप्टोरेक्स आपको आप अपनी स्ट्रीम में ज़रूर बताया करें। आज भी इन दो हमारे न्यू लाइव स्ट्रीमर ने अपने टास्क पूरे नहीं किए। थैंक यू क्रिप्टोरेक्स, यूर स्ट्रीम इज़ द नॉलेजेबल एंड इनेबल। थैंक यू सो मच। तो चलते हैं फर्स्ट फ्यूचर की तरफ, जिस तरह से बता दें। नंबर सेकेंड फ्यूचर ट्रेडिंग पूल रूल्स। थैंक यू क्रिप्टोरेक्स, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। Number 2, future trading pool rules. During the event, user will calculate the pro future trading volume open close 30,000 USDT will the earn candies and share the 100,000 proof pool maximum 9 candies per user with a cap of 80 proof the reward rules are followed. Thank you so much. आपका शुक्रिया क्रिप्टोरेक्स ज्वाइन करने के लिए और खूबसूरत कमेंट्स करने के लिए। तो जिस तरह मैंने बताया, आप अपने न्यू कमर साथी को जब आप अपनी स्ट्रीम कर रहे होते हैं तो उन्हें बताइएगा कि 6 से 7 मैसेज ज़रूर किया करें ताकि उनकी क्लोजनेस पूरी हो और उनको भी उसका फ़ायदा पहुँचे। वेलकम टू ज्वाइन क्रिप्टो शैडो। क्रिप्टो शैडो ने भी हमें ज्वाइन किया है। थैंक यू क्रिप्टो शैडो फॉर ज्वाइनिंग माई लाइव स्ट्रीम। क्रिप्टो शैडो आपका भी शुक्रिया एंड क्रिप्टोरेक्स का भी शुक्रिया। 1000 फेनेस्टी आपका भी शुक्रिया। सो द pro trading volume 30,000 USDT 1 candies. Now the pro trading volume 50,000 USDT 3 candies. Now the pro trading volume 80,000 USDT 5 candy. The project introduction. First of all, once again I tell you, my dear friend, the sufficient is the building industrialization power network so anyone can build the blockchain application and infrastructure secured by the cryptograph truth. No trust the sufficient unfaired the proof of supply can providing the high available proof of the generate structure with the best in the class pressing for the roll-up accuracy of the application using to the zero knowledge proof. Thank you so much. क्रिप्टो शैडो ने भी हमें ज्वाइन किया हुआ है। क्रिप्टो शैडो ने भी अभी अपना जो टास्क है कंप्लीट किया है, अपने स्ट्रीम कंप्लीट की है। थैंक यू सो मच। नाउ द आई टेल यू द नोट, दिस इज द most important, my dear friend, this is the note of this. The participation must click the join the button on the event page after successfully joining the event. The must complete event the task and identity verification to receive reward. Reward will be distributed to user account within the 14 working days after the end of event. Thank you so much crypto shadow. Now number 3, it is the strictly purported to register multiple small account engage in the main clause with the trading self-buying and the self-sealing on our any cheating behavior, multiple account for the same verification user be consider the same account, sub account are not allowed to the participation in the activity. Now number 4, the market enterprise and institutional are not allowed to participate in the event. Agent account cannot participate in the friend initiative, invite type activity, wide through the activities are the understand. Now number 5, thank you so much. Now in case of the discrepancy between the translate version and English version shall prevail. Number 6, Gate.io, thank you. Number 6, Gate has the final interoperability right of the rights for this event. Now user registered areas cannot access all of the part of service including the participation in the event, game or competition. For more information about restricted areas, please read user agreements. Now number 8, I tell you my dear friend, the risk warning, user must pay attention to the fact the virtual currency trading is affected by the version across such market and policies. The market is highly voltage and the price fluctuation and difficult to prediction. Please be sure to buy attention, make risk and trade your currency. Thank you, little queen. Now the Gate team, August 6, 2025. Now the gateway to crypto. Trade over 35 cryptocurrencies safely, quickly and easily on Gate. Take action now. Sign up and clean up 10,000 in welcome reward. Invite friend and earn 40% commission. Stay content. Visit Gate official website. Download the Gate app desktop. Follow us on X Twitter to get more business. Join our Telegram community to discuss trading volume. And now engage with our global community for the latest insight. Transparency and security. Check our 100% proof of reserve. Thank you, Crypto Shadow. थैंक यू सो मच, आपका शुक्रिया क्रिप्टो शैडो ज्वाइन करने के लिए। तमाम दोस्तों का शुक्रगुजार हूं। तो ये था मेरा आज का टॉपिक, मेरा बोनस टास्क कैंडी ड्रॉप 62, कैंडी ड्रॉप एक्स सुशेंट प्रूव ट्रेड टू द शेयर 200000 प्रो। तो प्रो के ऊपर हमने बात की और मैंने आपको तमाम तर इसकी मालूमात दी, इसके वाइट पेपर पे ले गया, इसकी ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट पर टर्म एंड कंडीशंस के ऊपर और नोट के ऊपर तमाम तर रिलेटेड मालूमात दी। तो दोस्तों ये था मेरा आज का टॉपिक, गेट लाइफ बोनस टास्क कैंडी ड्रॉप प्रो प्रोजेक्ट रिव्यू, और मैंने आपको इसके ऊपर रिव्यू दिया। तो मैं उन तमाम ही अपने दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रगुजार हूँ। थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो शैडो वंस अगेन फॉर ज्वाइनिंग, अमेजिंग वर्क। थैंक यू, वेलकम, खुश आमदीद, आपका बेहद शुक्रिया कमेंट्स करने के लिए। क्रिप्टो शैडो हमारे न्यू कमर बहुत अच्छी तरीके से अपनी लाइव स्ट्रीम करते हैं और अभी इन्होंने अपनी लाइव स्ट्रीम को कंप्लीट किया है। तो दोस्तों मैं तमाम दोस्तों का शुक्रगुजार हूँ। क्रिप्टो चैंपियन, क्रिप्टो मैकबुक, क्रिप्टो यूनिवर्स लेडी, क्रिप्टो डॉन, क्रिप्टो वेलवेट, क्रिप्टो शैडो एंड ग्रेट यूजर फ्रेंड, और तमाम दोस्तों का शुक्रगुजार हूँ जिन्होंने मुझे ज्वाइन किया, फॉलो किया, लाइक किया और कमेंट्स किया। तो दोस्तों इंशाल्लाह दोबारा आपसे कल मुलाकात होगी नए प्रोजेक्ट के साथ, मार्केट के साथ या लॉन्च पूल के साथ। तो मुझे कल तक दीजिएगा इजाज़त। थैंक यू क्रिप्टो शैडो, आल्सो गुड टू सी यू माय डियर फ्रेंड क्रिप्टो शैडो। तो मुझे दीजिएगा इजाज़त, कल तक अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा और मुझे अपनी दुआओं में ज़रूर याद रखिएगा। थैंक यू वंस अगेन all of my beautiful friend, thank you so much for joining my live stream today, thank you so much। तो इंशाल्लाह अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा, आपसे आप बहुत जल्द कल मुलाकात होगी इंशाल्लाह नए टॉपिक के साथ। तो दीजिएगा मुझे कल तक इजाज़त। अल्लाह हाफिज़, बाय बाय, अपना ख्याल रखिएगा।